My name is Martin Jewkes-Yale. I'm a design engineer here at Pressure Tech and I joined in 2019. One of the things we pride ourselves on is being able to offer specific configurations so our regulators match the requirements of each customer application. This often means new drawings have to be created for the manufacturing process to take place. Customers will often request full general assembly drawings or 3D model stat files. We have a really experienced engineering department, so requests such as these are shared throughout the team. We also receive inquiries for regulators which are not within the scope of our existing range. In this scenario, the team initially review these requests to see if we feel it would be viable to allocate engineering time to work on a new solution. This can just mean tweaking the design of an existing regulator, but it may sometimes require the creation of a completely new design. Large-scale projects like this involve calculations or finite element analysis to confirm design suitability for the pressures required within the regulator. A good example of this is the LF240 heated manifold, where we combined two regulators into one for two-stage control. This was a collaborative project between engineering team and one of our most experienced machinists to ensure the design fulfilled the customer's requirements and was also efficient to manufacture. I really enjoy the variability of the role. No 2 days are ever the same. My role ties into every department, which means I get to work with colleagues from across the company as a whole, from the point of inquiry to getting the product out the door. I enjoy building 3D models. I'm currently building a metal sheet Flying Dutchman, which has a difficult, complex design because it's really small, but I'm still enjoying it. I also enjoy taking my dog Titus out for walks on the weekends. For a small dog, he really loves to get the miles in, and I get tired before he does. You'll often see Titus in the office, as he's a firm favourite amongst everyone here.